Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in LinkedIn. So let's start. First, open the LinkedIn app. When the app opens, tap on your profile picture on top left corner and then tap on View Profile. Now on your profile you will see a pencil icon just beneath the cover photo. Tap on that and then tap on your profile picture. I'll just upload a picture from my gallery. Now I'll just quickly select a picture. Here you can crop photo as you want. I'll just reposition it perfectly. You can add filters if you want to. You can also adjust brightness, contrast, saturation and vignette. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And it will take a few moments. Then tap Save on top right corner again. And your profile picture is now changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.